Hi guys. In a week, I probably look a wreck. Like my hair is not properly washed and stuff. TMI. Whatever. Anyway, so this week I spent $20.24 on groceries, and I did that Monday, very late Monday, so I didn't have time to do a video on it. I just had time to quickly put the food away. Actually, I didn't even have time for that. I had an event immediately after shopping. Frozen foods probably melted in the car. They were just vegetables. But, you don't want your frozen foods. I went home and put them away and then went to sleep because I was tired. You're probably hearing the microwave. Walk with me. Um, and then Tuesday. Tuesday would have been the day I would have done a. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Tuesday would have been the day when I would have made the haul video because I couldn't on Monday, right? But on Tuesday, after I finished, I always have a chore. I always have to do over at my grandma's house on Tuesday. And I went over there, and after I was done, she invited me to dinner, and then we watched a movie with my aunt as well. And I have to say, I loved it. It was such a fantastic evening. 10 out of 10 would recommend spending the evening watching homework with my grandma and aunt. But as it happened, I was not really thinking when I made that decision. Also, I wasn't really thinking when I made the decision to do my shopping as late as possible on Monday. Really could have done it earlier in the day. Didn't feel like it. It was literally the only thing I had to do that day. I didn't feel like it. Actually, I had some homework I should have done. I still haven't done that homework. Did I have time to? Yes. Did I have mental capacity to? I don't know. It didn't get done though. Anyway, so then I got home late on Tuesday and went straight to sleep. That leaves me Wednesday morning with nothing to eat but week and a half old leftovers, which is everyone's favorite, especially if they've already been eating it for a week and a half. So I didn't want to eat it. So I had the food, I just didn't eat it. So I went hungry. And my day on Wednesdays ends at 8 o'clock at night, which is about when I'm too tired to do anything. And my day on Wednesdays starts. I suppose I had time to make something if I'd wanted to. My day on Wednesdays start at 10 o'clock in the morning. Did I have anything earlier going on that day? No. It takes about an hour to get to school if I'm being good because I want to take the bus and not my car. And I took the bus that day. So out of the house by 9 o'clock. Did I have time to make something? Yeah. Did I? No. Then Thursday. My day starts at 8 o'clock, ends at 8 o'clock. And I only had the food that was available to me that was more than a week and a half old by now. Gross. I didn't want to eat it. So I went hungry again. What do I have for breakfast? Eggs. I don't know. What did I have for lunch? An apple. What did I have for dinner? Nothing. I went to bed. Actually, on Thursday I did drive home and make myself some potatoes and eggs. But it wasn't enough for a whole day. Anyway, then Friday. That's today. Hi, I've had quite a week. I didn't have anything for breakfast. I was late when I woke up, and so because I needed to be up to work on time, which I wasn't, I went to work. I was late, and I didn't bring any food with me, and I spent $10 on food. What you gonna do? I had a rough week, and I wasn't eating, and the food that I ate today was not really that good. I had some lo mein from Panda Express, some hash browns, and a chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. And you know what? That would have sounded really delicious to me before this whole project, but waiting in line, I felt sick to my stomach. And I ate it, but it wasn't really that good. It's not as good as the stuff I can make homemade. And I spent $10. $10. That's like half of a week's grocery budget. That's ridiculous. I don't need to spend that kind of money on food that tastes kind of gross and it's icky for me. let's get down to the food that I actually did buy. I bought 2 loaves of $1 loaf bread, which I will be keeping in the freezer if there's room, because who knows how much room there is in the freezer. I bought an entire bunch of bananas. This is the lone banana that's left, and as you can see, no longer at its prime, but still totally eatable. I might turn it into a smoothie. I might eat it plain. That's probably what's going to happen. But I might also freeze it because it's at the height of its sweetness right now, or maybe it will be tomorrow. And that's what you want for a frozen banana, I think. I bought several apples. There are 2 left. I bought this bag of peas and carrots. Is frozen solid because I let it melt first. And this bag of frozen broccoli that I was going to use with like a chicken broccoli rice dish that I'm not gonna make. I have this cantaloupe that I never cut up and therefore did not eat, but would have been gone by now otherwise. There's this applesauce, which would have been really nice to know about, but I totally forgot that I have that because I was not thinking and also didn't have time to really process any of the food and put it where it would belong. Sack of potatoes, because I've been craving french fries, so I thought having potatoes around would be helpful. I could make some home fries or whatever potato dish I wanted. Very good addition to one's pantry is to have potatoes every so often. This is just a sack of Roma tomatoes that was gonna go on a salad. Will it go on a salad? Who knows? Is it gonna make a pasta sauce? No one knows at this point. But I'll eat them because I didn't refrigerate them. Refrigerated Roma tomatoes are the worst. They're the reason everybody hates tomatoes. I'm convinced. Actually, some people hate tomatoes regardless. But there's some people out there who hate tomatoes specifically because refrigerating tomatoes ruins them. What else do I have around here? I have Worcestershire sauce, which I had no clue. Worcestershire? I think I said that right. Worcestershire sauce, which is a really handy thing to have around. I still don't have ketchup, by the way. I noticed that today when I was putting some chicken in the crock pot, and I was like, this wing sauce is kind of spicy. Maybe I should dilute it with ketchup. Nope, don't have any. I don't know if this goes well with wing sauce, so I'm not even going to touch it. Anyway, so this is always a good addition to have in one's pantry. Makes really good burgers. It's good on, like, any meat. It's great. I'm excited to learn how to use this because I have only used it a handful of times and it's always been a wonderful thing to do. So, we're going to walk. We're going to walk for a second. Over here, we have a tiny crock pot which has, what do I have up here? This stuff, ranch powder that I bought, and wing sauce, which despite being medium is too spicy for my little white bread taste buds. And not that I eat white bread, gross, but yeah. And this container of rotisserie fully cooked chicken that I put inside of a freezer bag that my roommate gave me because I would not be able to afford it otherwise. What else do I have? I have some leftover frozen grapes from forever ago. I have 2 corns on the cob left over. I have half a jar of ratatouille and some other vegetables left over from last week that I don't really want. Oh, I forgot. I did buy lettuce. This was the least expensive type of lettuce that I felt like I could eat in a week. Haven't touched it because of the week that it's been. This is the week that it's been. I still have some cheese. I've eaten eggs and stuff, but you know, it's just been a week. That's just, I mean, sometimes that happens, and I think that I need to prepare ahead for those kinds of things. One, by cooking on Mondays instead of Tuesdays. In case something happens on Monday, I have Tuesday as a backup. If something happens on Tuesday, I don't have Wednesday as a backup. It's not a good backup. What was I saying? Oh, that's one backup I can do. Also, have a few meals. Like, I want to plan, instead of having one meal the whole week, which is gross, I want to plan having maybe like several small meals that I plan to make. I'll have like one big meal that'll cover me through the busy part of the week, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then and I'll cook it as small as possible so that it'll only last 3 days. And then the rest of the week, I will plan to have very specific meals that I can prepare for myself, and some of them will be easy, and some of them will be more delicious, which is the two types of meals you can have, as everyone knows. Um, and I'm sorry, this has been kind of a long video, hasn't it? Yeah, so these are the plans that I'm making. I'm going to have some easy meals. I'm going to have some delicious meals. I'm not going to worry so much about health like I've been worrying before, like I might buy some corn dogs or something, just to cover me on hard days. But this has been the week that I've been having, and I hope you guys learn from my failure. Make sure if you're only going to have one cooking day a week, make sure that it isn't the day before the busiest time of your week. Maybe. Yeah, maybe do that. Anyway, have a wonderful day. I hope you guys have learned from this experience, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.